outfit of the day. I'm wearing my puffer jacket. It's sleeveless. At ang kulay po niya ay burnt orange. And of course, my long sleeve burnt orange turtleneck. I'm also using my headband to cover my ears kasi po malamig po talaga dito at malamig po sa pupuntahan namin. And I'm also wearing my black stir-up leggings. Ayan po. Black stir-up leggings. At kung mapapansin ninyo, I am actually using my winter boots. Ayan po ang aking winter boots na burnt orange din. So, ayan po ang outfit ko for today. It's my winter outfit. Kasi napakalamig po talaga rito. At, alam naman ninyo, hindi magiging kumpleto ang aking whole attire without my bag. Okay, so, I'm using, again, my Burberry bag. At ayan po, that's the whole outfit for today. Sana po ay nagustuhan ninyo. Simpleng outfit, winter outfit. Ayan po. So maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys later. Bye!